Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale data science resources at Square. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To scale data science resources at Square, start by assessing your current data infrastructure. Identify existing data tools and technologies in use. Evaluate their performance and scalability. Next, define your key objectives for scaling. Consider the specific business needs and data requirements. Engage with stakeholders to gather insights on their expectations. Then, conduct a capacity analysis of your current resources. Analyze the volume and variety of data being processed. Determine if your current hardware and software can handle future demands. Once you have a clear picture, explore cloud solutions for flexibility. Research options like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure for data storage and processing. Calculate the cost-benefit analysis for transitioning to a cloud-based solution. After deciding on cloud providers, set clear guidelines for data governance. Establish protocols on data access, security, and management. Next, focus on team capabilities and skill sets. Identify any gaps in your team's knowledge regarding current tools and technologies. Consider investing in training programs to upskill your data scientists. Now, implement agile project management practices. Adopt methodologies like Scrum or Kanban to enhance team collaboration. Create a system for prioritizing data science projects based on business impact. In parallel, foster a culture of experimentation and innovation within your team. Encourage team members to share ideas and test new tools and techniques. Lastly, continuously monitor and evaluate the efficiency of your scaled resources. Use metrics to assess performance and adjust strategies as needed. Regularly revisit your scaling plan to ensure it aligns with evolving business goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.